So the technology's there, but what really interests me is how you build that experience. It feels like there's perhaps a missing skills gap there in terms of taking those technology components and putting them together.
You know, it's a great point. It really, the clients who are making the most progress are realizing this is a business transformation. And they're realizing that it starts with the fact that you have to start now designing these new dialogue flows. So think about the woman and the man who potentially own care or customer experience. They have a whole call center. They're now realizing, I need 3 major skill sets. I need to now have a whole team that, first of all, can train the AI solution as to what's the right answer, and then, as you just alluded to, a whole team creating these new conversational designs. It's not about anymore just a quick question and answer. Where do I find this answer? And then you find a link. Instead, create a dialogue flow. And then at the same time, you have to have people keep giving the feedback loop of how to make the virtual agents work better.
It's quite simple to prototype these things, but how do you scale it up? How do you make transformation on the scale that's going to make a big impact to the sorts of companies we're seeing here at this conference?
Yeah, what we're seeing companies do is they're creating these digital hubs, these transformational hubs where they can put all these new skill sets together. And these skill sets then have to take on handling many different components of the solution. Because you have to put in place, first of all, that omni-channel analytics to know how your customer's interacting with the channels. Then you have to actually create those new dialogue flows. Then you actually have to train the AI. And then, of course, in the CIO front, you have to have all these APIs available so that you can use the components, these solutions, to provide the answer. So that's essentially what they got to do.
It's a big challenge.
It's a big challenge, yeah.
Thanks a lot, John.
Thank you, okay.